It's already springtime and it's time to get that swimsuit on. This one here is a cute option. So normally I am not into bright pink, but this one here is cute and I like the kind of shiny look that it has to it. It's kind of like a retro Barbie. Let's check out those details though. Okay, obviously we do have this tie here on the front, super cute with this cutout. There is padding in here. The back is gonna be actually low dip with a thick strap here and an adjustable band. Look closely and you can see all these like kind of ribs with like a little bit of shimmer to them. So it's gonna shimmer in the sun. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's really shiny. Kind of like a boxy look here though. And it does have like a full brief. So it's gonna be completely covered here. The back is almost completely covered as well. So your booty won't hang out. So check out the back side, almost full coverage here. A little bit of your cheek's gonna hang out. Low back, super cute though. I like this color pink. Normally I would do like a black traditionally, but this pink's actually really cute. And it does provide a little bit of support here because we do have that thick strap as well as this cute little tie in the front. This is a size medium and I'm 5'8". I do weigh 155 pounds for reference. So to find out more information though and to see what colors it comes in, because there's like a bunch of them, click that link.